Now in Java, what we usually do when we're using JUnit is we'll create another project that has the same name as the project that we're going to test, except it'll have test or tests at the end. So let's go ahead and create this project. We'll do new Java project. We'll call this protein tracker tests. Then we'll click finish. And then what we're going to do is just go to our source, do new JUnit test case, and we'll call this Hello Junit test. Then we'll click finish. It's asking us to add JUnit4 library to our build path. We'll go ahead and do that. Let's add JUnit4. If we look at this jar, you can see the version of JUnit. You can see that this is version 4.10. Now, if you want to use the latest version, you might have to add this jar yourself. I believe right now at the time of recording this course that the latest version is 4.11. So 4.10 probably should have most of the features that we'll want, but you may have to upgrade that in the future if you really are living on the cutting edge of JUnit or there's some bug in JUnit that you need fixed. And you can see by default that it's created this test for us. All it's done is a few imports. It's used this annotation at test. This indicates that this is a test. And it just created one method called test. It has this method as calling fail and then a message not yet implemented. We can go ahead and run this. If we just right click on this test and do run as, you can see there's JUnit selection. And this test of course fails. Let's go ahead and make this test pass. For now, all we're going to do to make this test pass is comment out this fail. This is not really a good test at this point, but we just want to verify that JUnit's working and running, and in the next module, we'll actually see how to create real tests. So now we're going to run this again. We can just do that run as and run it, or we can run it directly from here. We can just do run to rerun a test.